The Perma-Proto half-size breadboard PCB. Solder your wires down and know that they're not going to pop out. So this is one of my favorite ways of prototyping. We've got the sort of numbered rows here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on. We have power rails on the side, which are marked with this blue and this red. Those are our ground and power rails. So you can break those out from, say, a microcontroller and then use them throughout the rest of the circuit. You can take a hobby knife, cut a trace there, and then make some extra little smaller sets of circuits, sets of 2s and 3s. I've got these little short headers on here. You just solder those up. This is great because if you do have a Cutie Pie, maybe you're always wanting to have a button and power, you can leave that stuff on there and then you can swap out different Cutie Pies. A really convenient little way to go beyond the prototype, really. Half-size Perma-Proto breadboard PCBs.